Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. Date 8/1/2010, first day of August. What are we going to be looking at? The CBO S&P Small Cap 600 Index. And it's a small cap index that we would like to see performing well. And we like to see small caps lead the way. One of the things that we're going to show you is that, once again, it's all about the StockMarketFunding.com bear and bull, or bull versus bear SML bear and bull trend analyzer, which is a mathematical system that we have developed. And we're watching right here the small cap. We would like to see lead the way, because if small caps are doing well, the economy is doing well. And there's lots of things about that you want the small cap index to be the leader. We did lead over here, and the small caps led the rally over here. However, as I've shown some other key indexes, and these videos are specifically designed for our SMF MMT traders who trade the SMF firm's capital and our investor network worldwide, so that, as they have been taught, and people in the school that have been around for a number of years, is that you want this index to lead the way. So basically, when the 10-week was we were below here. The thing about it is we were below the 10-week moving average for 4 weeks. We descended in the 10-week. That's a bear trend. Now we've got 1 week above it, but we're still declining in that weekly moving average here on the small cap. And until I can get the prices above the level for 4 weeks in a row, the blue line, 10-week moving average, must be flat. It must be curving up. The 20-week, the red line, the green line is a 200-week. The small caps have got to get above these 200-week and that there in order to start leading the rally. If this economy is really good, as they claim on TV, then the small caps will lead the rally. And small caps always lead rallies. Just like they lead it off the bottom here, they continue to lead there. And you had 3 good rallies out of the small cap. Once was off the bottom. We burned off again. And then we came over here in 2010, and that's the 3rd count. We went into a bear count when the failure of the 10-week closed below it. That's called the SMF bear count analyzer trend. Now, in order to learn more about what I'm talking about, because this video is contributed to our network worldwide and to our traders, you, as an individual watching it, can get on board too. Take the free 5-day trial. Give me your opinion at the end of that free 5 days. We have lots of services that are available. We have a quarterly risk management bear and bull trend analyzer, a yearly one. We have lots of new services. They're all going to be video orientated, not for the public, but for the people that want those services. I'd sign up and find out more about those services going forward if I were you. So naturally, we want to see if the rally in the other broader indexes is that the small cap has to lead this rally. Okay, but with all of the tax uncertainties out there and all of the current problems that we have, is that the small caps aren't hiring people. They're not going to hire people. Forward-looking healthcare costs. Look, if I'm going to bring on new employees in small businesses, I'm going to look at what I sell, what my services are. If I add a new employee, I know right away it's going to cost me $12,000 to $15,000 in health care for that employee. But and not only that, if I'm going to have higher taxes on top of that, and these other forward-looking costs moving out in this government, in this U.S., that's quite a burden on the small caps. But when it comes to rallies, and we have 30 years, 20 years, back testing our analyzer, bear bull trend analyzer. We're not showing it you here on the video. Want to find out more? Please take the time and do yourself a favor, come to stockmarketpunding.com. Okay. The small caps fail, the broader markets will pull back. The 2010 earnings season is about over for the July quarter. Until I am above half of this bar right here, with a closing price above it, and 4 weeks above that blue line, and that blue line 10-week better be coming up, the small caps remain weak. The potential for another market collapse will happen. You have to have the small cap lead the way. So I just want all of our worldwide trader and investors to know this when you watch the video. And I also want all of our current traders that are trading SMF Capital using our SMF new direct access trading platform, something you've never seen before. If I was to do anything, I'd sign up. There will be a new sign up page that's going to give people the opportunity to take a 1-day look at our SMF direct access trading platform and charting platform that is only designed by us. We own it, and we don't sell it to the public because you're not going to be able to lease it. So let's forget that. But when you see it, you'll know why we don't sell it to the public. Just to people that are trading our money and their money along with ours, people that are in our school. It makes money. You'll have to come and see it. You can't make an opinion until you do. So do yourself a favor, come and see something that is real. Back to the index, small cap 600 has got to lead the rally.